Hello students, welcome to my channel Let's Learn. Today I am going to discuss about extra questions for class 9 Social Science Geography chapter 1 India size and locations. Question number 1 is, these are important questions you have to learn for your exam. The first question, in which hemisphere India lies? India कौन से हेमिस्फीयर में रहता है? आंसर इज इंडिया लाइज इन द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर. नॉर्थ किस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द लैटिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट ऑफ इंडिया? इसमें 3 सेम टाइप का क्वेश्चन दिया गया है. लैटिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज बिटवीन 8.4 डिग्री नॉर्थ सदर्न मोस्ट एंड 37.6 डिग्री नॉर्थर्न मोस्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, व्हाट इज द लॉन्गिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट ऑफ इंडिया? पहला जो क्वेश्चन था वो लैटिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट था, अभी लॉन्गिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट क्या है. और व्हाट आर द डिग्रीज ऑफ द ईस्टर्न मोस्ट एंड वेस्टर्न मोस्ट लॉन्गिट्यूड ऑफ इंडिया? द लॉन्गिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज 68.7 डिग्री ईस्ट, that is westernmost, to 97.25 degree east, easternmost longitude. Next question, name the parallel of latitude which divides India roughly into two equal halves. The parallel of latitude which roughly divides India into two equal halves is the Tropic of Cancer, that is 23 degree to north to 30 degree north. जो पैरेलल लैटिट्यूड है हमारे इंडिया को टू इक्वल हाफ्स में डिवाइड किया है उसको क्या कहते हैं हम? ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, नेम द टू सीज लोकेटेड अराउंड इंडिया. इंडिया के पास जो टू सीज है, व्हाट आर दे? द टू सीज विच लोकेटेड अराउंड इंडिया आर द अरेबियन सी इन द वेस्ट एंड बे ऑफ बंगाल इन द ईस्ट. व्हाट इज़ द सदर्न मोस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ द यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया? इंडिया के सदर्न मोस्ट पॉइंट में क्या है? द सदर्न मोस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया इज द इंदिरा पॉइंट. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, इन विच ईयर डिड इंदिरा पॉइंट सबमर्ज अंडर वाटर ड्यू टू सुनामी? इन 2004 इंदिरा पॉइंट गॉट सबमर्ज्ड अंडर द सी वाटर. नेक्स्ट इज, व्हाट इज द टोटल एरिया ऑफ द इंडिया लैंड मास? द लैंड मास ऑफ इंडिया हैज़ एन एरिया ऑफ 3.28 million square kilometer. It is the 2.4% of the total area of the world. Next question, what is the size of India among the countries of the world? India is the 7th largest country in the world. Next is, what is the total land frontier of India? The total land frontier of India is 15,200 किलोमीटर. तो इंडिया का टोटल लैंड कितनी है? टोटल लैंड इज 15,200 किलोमीटर. गिव नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, गिव द टोटल लेंथ ऑफ द इंडिया कोस्ट लाइन इंक्लूडिंग द इंडियन आइलैंड. तो टोटल लेंथ इंडिया कोस्ट लाइन का कितना है, इंक्लूडिंग इंडियन आइलैंड का कितना है? द टोटल लेंथ ऑफ द इंडियन कोस्ट लाइन इज 7,516.6 किलोमीटर्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन विच डायरेक्शन इंडिया इज़ बाउंड बाय यांगफॉल माउंटेन? कौन सी डायरेक्शन में इंडिया इज़ बाउंड बाय यांगफॉल माउंटेन्स है? इन द नॉर्थ वेस्ट एंड नॉर्थ ईस्ट डायरेक्शन इंडिया इज़ बाउंड बाय यांगफॉल माउंटेन्स. नेक्स्ट इज, वाई इज़ नॉर्थ साउथ एक्सटेंट ऑफ इंडिया लार्जर दैन ईस्ट वेस्ट एक्सटेंट इवन दो द लैटिट्यूडनल एंड लॉन्गिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट इज in degrees is of the same value? This is because the distance between two latitudes is always 111 kilometer, that is always same, whereas between longitudes it is the maximum at the equator and decreases towards the pole. Next question, what is the time lag between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh? The time lag between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh is 2 hours. Why has 82.30 degree been selected as the standard meridian of India? 82.30 degree east has been selected as the standard meridian of India because it passes through the center of India, that is Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. Which route connects the countries of Europe in the west to the countries of the East Asia? That is the Trans-Indian Ocean routes. In which year Suez Canal opened? Suez Canal opened in 1869. What is the significance of the Suez Canal? With the Suez Canal, India's distance from Europe has been reduced by 7,000 kilometers. What is the total north-south extent of India in kilometer? The north-south extent of India in kilometer is 3,214 kilometer. What is the total east-west extent of India in kilometer? The total east-west extent of India is 2,933 kilometer. How had India kept her relationship with the world in ancient times? Passes in the mountains of the Himalayas provided passages to the ancient travelers, while the oceans restricted this as the people were afraid to travel by oceans. Next question. Which ideas of India could reach the world? हमारे इंडिया का आइडिया क्या है जो हमारा वर्ल्ड में हमको पहचानता है? The ideas of the Upanishads and the Ramayana, the story of Panchatantra, the Indian numerals decimal system could reach many parts of the world. Which commodities were exported from India? The spices, muslin cloth and many other commodities which are exported from India. From which regions and styles India got influenced in ancient times? India got influenced from Greek sculpture, the architectural styles of dome and minarets from West Asia in the ancient times. Next is, which is the largest and smallest states of India area-wise? The largest state is Rajasthan and the smallest state is Goa. Next is, name the states of India which don't have an international border or lie on the coast. The states are Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Haryana and Jharkhand. Name the states of India which have common border with Pakistan. The states are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab and Jammu and Kashmir. Next is, name the states of India which have common border with China. The states are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. Name the states of India which have common border with Myanmar. The states are Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram. Next is, name the countries which share borders with India. The countries are Pakistan, Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Which two island countries are India's neighbors? Sri Lanka and Maldives are the two island countries. Next question. Name the two water bodies which separate India from Sri Lanka. The two water bodies that separate India are Pak Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. Mention the types of states in India present before 1947. The two types of states in India were the provinces and the princely states. Who ruled the princely states? Princely states were ruled by the local hereditary rulers. Name the country that has common land frontier with the states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim. The country is Nepal. Name the states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Name the Union Territories of India. The Union Territories are Delhi, Chandigarh, Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Puducherry. Okay students, these are the extra questions of this chapter. Hope you will understand these questions answers. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.